Hey guys, Marcus here. In this video, I'm going to share with you how we can fix the issue and how we can reset 510 BT and 500 BT headphones from JBL. So there are two ways how you can do it. Try the first way. So the first way is have them powered on and hold the minus and plus button, like press them together for at least 10 seconds. What will happen is that the indicator right here will turn off. Do you see that? So right now has been powered off. You can also try it again. So try it again to see if it's going to work out. Okay, and now when you're going to do it, what you want to do is to hold the power button for 10 seconds. And then when it's going to be powered off, you want to hold it again for like 10-15 seconds. So let's hold the power off button. Okay. And now power it on for like 10 seconds. Okay, so try these two strategies. What is going to work for you? And let me down below in the comments what worked for you onto fixing the JBL Tune 510 BT and 500 BT factory reset. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you're having a great day. And goodbye.